Hello. So, what was that?
Just a sound.
Oh. So, what was that? Oh, what was that? Why is it so noisy around here?
What's the difference between this and this? And what's the difference between this and this?
That's right, sounds. And sounds were very important in the early days of radio. Chicken sounds. The sounds of galloping horses. All kinds of sounds.
Hello?
Hello? Oh, what?
So in my studio, I've got a little microphone there and a little pop filter, keep your peas from popping, and a little interface that plugs my voice into the computer and my laptop computer, upon which I record with Audacity.
Click.
Mouth sounds look like this. Okay, mouth noises. How do you do it? I don't know. I just do it. You just gotta start doing it and making up sounds and see what works with a puppet. Anyway. Boing, 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 boing. Roll, 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 roll. Something like that.
Sounds.
Oh, wait,
thing-
I forgot this one. Incredible! What about noises with things? Things, this is one of my favorite things. It's called a slide whistle. Check it out. I don't know what you call this, but it does this. Okay, a kazoo. What about musical things? You don't have to be a musician just to mess around and get sounds. What's that?
Well, I'm glad all those noises are over. Oh, I got a crick in my neck. There, the crick is gone. What was that?